Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. It may have been a rainy day, but patrons felt the heat inside the Halfway Tree Transport Centre last evening. It was the 2017 staging of the grand finals for the pan chicken competition. And boy, was it a belly full. From jerk pans to performances and everything in between, we share the mouth-watering experience with these highlights.
When a bad sound clear, we say to the top back, everybody shout, yeah, 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 yeah.
As the night wound down, aprons thrown in, the judges finally got to choose the best pan vendor. Of the 28 finalists, the top three positions were Nicola Bryan, who walked away with over $100,000 in cash in third place, Jamie Martin, who took second place with a total of $220,000, and securing the number one spot was Eric Beaver, who walked away with over $500,000 in cash and prizes.
Well, I'm telling the truth, I really feel really good, knowing that I'm the winner after a long journey, studying, preparing, and dedication, and a good coaching management. And I've been the champion today. I really feel good. CB, thank you very much. You have really changed a spot in my life. I'm thinking forward now. I thank for this great opportunity to know that I'm first I entered and I'm the champion.
Neville Livingston, more commonly known as Bunny Wailer, has announced the launch of a new event, Rootsman Skankin. Eye Libration, set for Friday, November 3, is in honor of Bunny Wailer's Order of Merit for his contribution to Jamaican music and culture, which he received at the annual National Heroes Day Awards ceremony earlier this month. First edition of Rootsman Skankin will be centered on Bunny's musical lifestyle and the Rastafari culture. The affair will feature a Bunny Wailer tribute performance by his son, upcoming artist Asadenaki Wailer, along with other surprise guests. There's also going to be an open mic segment for upcoming artists eager to showcase their talent. Rootsman Skankin will be held at the Solomonic Circle headquarters at 10 Darley Crescent, Washington Gardens, and admission is free. The event will be launched on the weekend of the anniversary of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I and Empress Menen's coronation, which took place on November 2, 1930. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.